Hello friends, I'm Dr. Suresh Pandey and I am going to show you the video showing implantation of implantable Phakic contact lens. This is implantable Phakic contact lens from Care Group India. The power is -16 diopter to correct -14.5 diopter and the total size is 13.25 millimeter. So the lens comes like this. This is same packings of their foldable lens. So once we are going to implant the toric IPCL, the first step is to open the lens packing, and this is the IPCL lens which comes in this way. And the most important thing is to make the correct orientation of the IPCL lens, and we are going to implant in the right eye. So we need to orient this correctly, and this is the correct orientation of the IPCL for right eye.
All holes which are here, these holes should be covered by the upper eyelid. You can see the holes, and this is the notch here. The notch should be on the left side, on the leading haptic, and this notch should be on the right side. So these are the two holes, and this is notch here on the right side of trailing haptic, and there is a notch here. This is the notch here on the left side. Can you make out this notch?
Yes, sir.
These are two holes, right? These holes should be covered by the upper lid, and this is a center hole in the center. The size is 3, and we have to put the viscoelastic hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, and then put it and then close the cartridge. And once you close the cartridge, you should see through transparent. So if there is any part of the lens is coming, you have to open it. The lens is inside, and now we are going to put this cartridge in the injector. So we are going to make the side port incision at 12 o'clock. Remove it, and now we are going to use hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. I will inject viscoelastic one more time so that the chamber is deep. So in the cases of IPCL or Phakic lens implantation, you should put the viscoelastic should be not too much, not too less. And this is the main incision, 2.75 millimeter. Temporal incision. And I'm going to put little more viscoelastic so that there should be no touch of the Phakic lens while injecting it. थोड़ा सा आपको हल्का सा डाल हुआ होगा बेटा. Now this is the Phakic lens from Care Group India. So this is the opening of the Phakic lens, and you can see these are the two holes. These two holes should be covered by the upper lid. So this is the correct orientation. The orientation of the Phakic lens is from IPCL is different than ICL. And now we are going to remove the viscoelastic. So while removing the viscoelastic, Ideally, you should just stay in the antechamber, but I will just go in the antechamber. I lift the lens little bit so the viscoelastic should come out quickly from behind the lens superiorly, so that the viscoelastic should come out easily, and you should be careful to avoid any touching to the crystalline lens. So the same way here. So once we remove the viscoelastic, then we can just wash the antechamber and then put the pala button. So this is the Palakapa injection to achieve the meiosis. So Palakapa can cause little burning. And just I'm going to remove the bubbles which are there. You see this is the bubbles. So we are going to remove. And the Palakapa is not nicely. हमारे बीच में आदरणीय ज्योति जी उपस्थित हैं, जिनकी दाहिनी आंख में 14.5 नंबर का चश्मे का नंबर था और आज सुबह चिकित्सालय में -16 डॉक्टर फेकिक लेंस IPCL इम्प्लांटेबल फेकिक कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस का प्रत्यारोपण कर इनके चश्मे का नंबर हटाया गया। और मैं इस अवसर पर हमारे जलगांव से बता डॉक्टर हर्षिल और बरेली से डॉक्टर टिम्पल का भी स्वागत करता हूँ। और मैं ज्योति जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप बताएं ज्योति जी, किस प्रकार का ऑपरेशन रहा आपका और आप कैसा फील कर रहे हैं अभी?
मैं अभी बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही हूँ और मेरी जो दाहिनी आँख है इसमें 14.5 का जो नंबर था वो आज तो ठीक हुआ है। और मैं SuVi हॉस्पिटल पूरी टीम को और डॉक्टर मिस्टर सुरेश पांडे जी सर को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।